Stop right there. Before you drive another mile with that glowing airbag warning, you need to understand something crucial. That little orange light isn't just annoying decoration. It's your car screaming that your $15,000 safety system might completely fail you when seconds matter most. I'm about to reveal 9 battle-tested methods to eliminate that airbag light, starting with solutions that cost absolutely $0. What's happening, automotive warriors? Today, we're diving deep into airbag light diagnostics, and I guarantee at least 3 of these methods will work for your specific vehicle. By the end of this breakdown, you'll have the confidence to tackle this issue like a seasoned technician who's seen it all. The reality your dealership won't share. Here's what the service department conveniently forgets to mention. That airbag light doesn't just mean minor inconvenience. It means your entire supplemental restraint system is compromised. In a collision scenario, your airbags might as well be decorative pillows filled with false promises. But here's the empowering news. 80% of airbag light issues are simple electrical gremlins that you can absolutely fix in your driveway with basic tools. We're talking about potentially saving $300 to $800 in diagnostic fees alone, money that stays in your pocket where it belongs. Decoding your vehicle's distress signal. Let's decode what's actually happening under your hood. When you start your car, that brief airbag light flash represents your SRS control module performing a lightning-fast system check, scanning sensors, testing circuits, verifying readiness. It should vanish in 3 to 7 seconds, like a well-trained employee clocking in perfectly on time. When it stays illuminated, your car's computer has detected a legitimate fault code. Think of it as your vehicle's desperate cry for help, and today, you become the hero who answers that call with knowledge and determination. The real culprits behind your airbag light mystery. Let me share the genuine troublemakers behind 90% of airbag light situations. Number 1, loose seat wiring. Those yellow connectors hiding under your seats are more fragile than your grandmother's china collection. Number 2, rebellious seatbelt sensors that think they know better than you do. Number 3, battery voltage drops that completely confuse your SRS computer's delicate sensibilities. Number 4, corrosion on connections, the silent killer of electrical systems everywhere. Method 1, the seat connector salvation. Let's start with the easiest victory that fixes roughly 40% of airbag light issues. This solution is so simple, you'll actually laugh at its effectiveness. Power down completely. Key out, ignition completely off. Now, channel your inner contortionist and peek under both front seats. You're hunting for bright yellow connectors that are color-coded specifically for safety recognition. Give each connector the comprehensive wiggle test. Disconnect carefully, inspect thoroughly for any corrosion or visible damage, then reconnect with a satisfying click that confirms proper engagement. This simple action alone has saved countless drivers from unnecessary dealer visits and hundreds of dollars in diagnostic fees alone, money that stays in your pocket where it belongs. Method 2, the seatbelt sensor reset. This approach is absolutely brilliant in its elegant simplicity. Modern vehicles have become paranoid about passenger safety, sometimes excessively paranoid to the point of triggering false warnings. Here's your strategic action plan. Click every single seatbelt in your vehicle, driver, passenger, all rear seats. Yes, absolutely all of them. Your car's sophisticated computer thinks someone's sitting there if weight sensors detect any significant weight that doesn't match a properly buckled passenger profile. Next, clear your passenger seat of everything: bags, phones, coffee cups, that growing collection of takeout receipts. Some vehicles will trigger airbag warnings if they detect mysterious weight that doesn't match a properly buckled passenger profile. Start your engine and watch that dashboard like a focused hawk. Success rate runs about 25%, not bad results for 30 seconds of concentrated effort. Method 3, the battery reset power play. This is where we get serious about electrical system rehabilitation. Battery disconnection forces your car's computer to completely forget temporary fault codes and start with a clean slate. Safety absolutely comes first. Engine completely off, keys secured in your pocket. Pop that hood and locate your battery terminals with confidence. Critical sequence alert. Negative terminal disconnected first. This prevents dangerous electrical sparks. Use a 10mm wrench for most vehicles. Disconnect the positive terminal second, maintaining that safe sequence. Now comes the patience test. Wait 15 to 20 minutes. I understand it feels like forever, but this allows capacitors to fully discharge and memory systems to completely clear. Reconnection follows reverse order. Positive terminal first, then negative terminal. Fire up that engine and prepare for potential victory. Method 4, the ignition cycling magic. This represents pure automotive wizardry, using your ignition key to communicate directly with your SRS module through a specific sequence. Key in ignition, turn to the on position, not start, just on. Watch that airbag light like you're timing a precision stopwatch. It should illuminate for exactly 6 to 7 seconds, then extinguish completely. Turn key to off, wait exactly 3 seconds, then repeat. You need 3 complete cycles. Think of it like performing a secret handshake with your car's computer brain. After the 3rd cycle, start normally. This method has saved thousands of Honda, Toyota, and Nissan owners from expensive dealer visits and unnecessary stress.
Method 5, the fuse box investigation. Time for some serious electrical detective work. Every SRS system has a dedicated fuse or relay. Your mission involves locating and strategically resetting it. Check your owner's manual for the exact location. It'll be clearly labeled as SRS, airbag, or sometimes restraint. Found it? Excellent detective work. Use a proper fuse puller or needle nose pliers. Never use your fingers for electrical components. Remove for 3 to 5 minutes, then reinstall carefully. This forces the entire system to reinitialize completely.
Method 6, the diagnostic scanner solution. Ready to feel like a professional automotive technician? An OBD2 scanner with SRS capabilities becomes your gateway to identifying the exact problem plaguing your system. Locate your OBD2 port, usually hiding under your steering column like a shy mechanical creature. Plug in your scanner, set ignition to on position. Navigate to SRS or airbag systems, read those fault codes like you're interpreting a medical diagnosis, then select clear or reset with confidence. This method boasts a 70% success rate when combined with addressing the underlying root cause. Method 8, the jumper wire technique. This represents old-school automotive magic, primarily effective for Honda vehicles from the 90s and early 2000s. We're essentially creating a temporary circuit to reset the entire system. You need a simple jumper wire or straightened paperclip. Under your steering column, locate the small diagnostic connector. It's usually a straightforward 2-pin setup. Bridge those pins with your jumper. Turn ignition on and watch the airbag light perform its diagnostic dance sequence. When it stops flashing completely, turn ignition off and test your successful handiwork. Method 9, the professional intervention. When DIY methods reach their natural limits, it's time to call in professional reinforcements. But now you're an educated consumer who absolutely won't be taken advantage of by unscrupulous technicians. Armed with today's comprehensive knowledge, you can communicate intelligently with service professionals, potentially saving hundreds in unnecessary diagnostic procedures. A professional scan tool can identify complex issues like faulty impact sensors or damaged wiring that genuinely require expert attention and specialized equipment. The non-negotiable safety reality. Let's be crystal clear about something absolutely critical. Driving with an active airbag warning is like skydiving with a questionable parachute. Your safety systems are genuinely compromised, and that's completely unacceptable for you or your precious loved ones. If these proven methods don't solve your specific problem, get professional help immediately. No YouTube video, regardless of quality, is worth risking your life over. Your victory celebration. There you have it, automotive warriors, 9 proven strategies to completely conquer that airbag light demon. You've just potentially saved yourself $500 to $800 in diagnostic fees while gaining invaluable knowledge about your vehicle's critical safety systems. Drop a comment below telling me exactly which method worked for your specific vehicle. I read every single response, and your success stories help fellow drivers facing similar challenges. Was it the simple seat connector fix, or did you need the full diagnostic scanner approach? If this video saved you money and potentially your life, smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. We're building an unstoppable army of informed car owners who absolutely refuse to be taken advantage of by unscrupulous service departments. Stay safe, stay informed, and remember, knowledge remains your absolute best defense against expensive automotive surprises that empty your wallet unnecessarily.